We started from San Francisco to Yosemite. It took around 6 hours to reach, and the view was spectacular. Oh, look what I see! There's a long tunnel. Made of high granite cliffs, waterfalls, and sequoia groves, Yosemite is one of the favorite of all nature lovers. This is the Mirror Lake, and you get to see the beautiful scenery and even play in this cold water. Next, let's head to Yosemite Falls. This Yosemite Fall is at 2,400 feet and the tallest fall in North America. We hiked to the lower falls and it was amazing. If you don't want to climb, you can still enjoy here. We did spend some time, but the water was pretty cold. Next day, we started from Glacier Point. You can take a bus to the Glacier Point as well. Do check at the visitor center. At Glacier Point, you will get to see the best view of Half Dome. This is the best panoramic view of Yosemite Valley. You can see falls, cars, hotels, and everything from the Glacier Point. Yosemite is huge, so take some time to enjoy this natural beauty. You cannot do the whole in one day. So book yourself a nice hotel and I can spot my hotel right from here. Let's take a look inside. You can have a morning tea here, and this is our room. Look, someone's here to welcome us. Let's come closer. It's a baby bear. Take a look at this gorgeous and comfortable room. So what's so special about this hotel in Yosemite? It's special because Queen Elizabeth also stayed in the majestic hotel when she visited Yosemite. Yosemite is filled with stunning sights all around. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Subscribe and stay tuned for more such videos.